One summer, an ant worked hard every day to gather food and store it safely for the winter. His friend the grasshopper, however, laughed and said, "You work too hard, relax." The grasshopper spent all summer playing and singing instead of preparing. But when winter came, the grasshopper was cold and hungry, while the ant stayed cozy in his home with more than enough food. Always plan ahead and be prepared. Life would not always be easy, so take care of your needs while you can. Laziness can significantly undermine a person's future by hindering their ability to achieve goals, build a strong work ethic, and maintain positive relationships. Laziness can also affect social standing, as individuals may struggle to maintain employment, manage finances, participate in social activities, leading to social isolation and limited opportunities. Building and maintaining healthy relationships requires effort, commitment, and reliability, and all which can be compromised by persistent laziness.